If you've ever flown on a commercial airplane, you already know the deal. Not everyone on board is having the same experience. Money talks at 35,000 feet. And if you're someone who regularly flies with Cathay Pacific, that experience can be downright luxurious. In fact, their latest premium cabin concept has gone so far as to win a Red Dot Award for 2025, which should already tell you this isn't just another fancy seat. You know that mysterious part of the plane hidden behind closed doors, only revealed for a split second when someone walks in or out? That's exactly where today's spotlight lands. Cathay Pacific calls it the Aria Suite, and you'll find it aboard their newly updated Boeing 777-300ER. This cabin is all about the individual passenger, designed to deliver what many would argue is the best business class experience in the sky right now. From the moment you settle in, it's clear this suite is built around control and comfort. Touch controls are everywhere, letting you fine-tune lighting, seat positions, and service requests with ease. The seat itself is modular, transforming smoothly into a fully flat bed that works just as well for an adult as it does for a child. And yes, privacy is a huge part of the appeal here, especially on those long-haul flights where personal space becomes priceless. The brains behind this setup are JPA Design, a studio that's been shaping premium interiors since 1983. The Aria Suite first rolled out in 2024 and was later submitted for the Red Dot Awards after proving itself in real-world service. JPA's experience stretches far beyond airplanes too, with projects for brands like Hilton, Four Seasons, Taj, the Orient Express, and more. That level of design pedigree shows up in every detail of the suite. Materials play a big role in how refined the space feels. Natural leather and cotton are used throughout to create a warm, comfortable environment, while wool is worked into the headrest and the lie-flat bed itself. Of course, lighter materials like plastics and composites are still part of the mix, because weight matters in aviation. Then there's the tech, which is a major reason this design stands out. A 24-inch 4K touchscreen sits right in front of you, complete with Bluetooth connectivity so you can use your own headphones without bothering anyone nearby. Each suite also includes wireless charging, because digging for cables mid-flight is never fun. When it's time to relax, the transition from seat to bed is simple. During takeoff and landing, you're upright, but once cruising, a single tap sends the seat extending forward into a fully flat sleeping surface. Your feet tuck neatly into an enclosed space beneath the console ahead, meaning no awkward encounters with strangers' foot space. Add in a sliding privacy door, and you're completely shut off from the rest of the cabin, free to nap, work, or just zone out in peace. The experience doesn't stop there. Each suite includes personal storage cabinets you definitely won't find in economy, a large table that doubles as a surprisingly elegant workspace, and food and drink options curated specifically for Cathay Pacific's business class passengers. The cabin crew, naturally, is trained to match the level of service this environment promises. It's also worth noting that the Aria Suites aren't the only option on this aircraft. If you're traveling with a partner or colleague and don't want to be fully walled off, the center section of the cabin offers paired suites without a divider. You still get the same personalized experience, just with a more social layout for shared flights. Honestly, after seeing what Cathay Pacific and JPA Design have pulled off here, I'm itching to try it myself. That said, I might need to rethink my financial strategy first. A quick attempt to book a round trip from the US to China came in at over $7,000, which makes it very clear that this level of comfort doesn't come cheap.